Hi, welcome to Dr. Health Post.
What is turmeric? Turmeric, scientifically known as Curcuma longa, is a perennial plant belonging to the ginger family. It is native to Southeast Asia and is primarily cultivated for its rhizomes, which are dried and ground to produce the vibrant yellow spice known as turmeric. Top 10 uses of turmeric as anti-aging. Certainly. Here are 10 different ways you can use turmeric for its potential anti-aging benefits. Number 10. Facial mask. Mix turmeric powder with honey, yogurt, or mashed avocado to create a rejuvenating face mask. Apply it to your face, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and rinse off with warm water. Number 9. Under-eye treatment. Create a paste by mixing turmeric powder with pineapple juice and apply it under your eyes to reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. Number 8. Facial scrub. Combine turmeric powder with chickpea flour, milk, and a few drops of rose water to make a gentle exfoliating scrub. Gently massage it onto your face and rinse off for smoother, brighter skin. Number 7. Turmeric infused water. Add a pinch of turmeric powder to a glass of warm water and drink it in the morning. This can help detoxify the body and promote a healthy complexion. Number 6. Turmeric tea. Brew a cup of turmeric tea by boiling water with turmeric powder and adding a squeeze of lemon and a bit of honey for taste. The antioxidants in the tea can support overall skin health. Number 5. Turmeric and coconut oil paste. Mix turmeric powder with coconut oil to create a paste and apply it to areas of the body with dry or aging skin. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse off to moisturize and nourish the skin. Number 4. Turmeric face mist. Prepare a facial mist by mixing turmeric powder with rose water or witch hazel. Transfer the mixture to a spray bottle and spritz it on your face throughout the day for a refreshing and hydrating boost. Number 3. Turmeric bath soak. Add a few tablespoons of turmeric powder to your warm bath water and soak in it for 15 to 20 minutes. This can help improve overall skin tone and rejuvenate the body. Number 2. Turmeric and yogurt smoothie. Blend turmeric powder, yogurt, a banana, and a handful of berries to create a delicious and nutritious smoothie. The combination of antioxidants can promote youthful-looking skin from the inside out. Number 1. Turmeric supplement. If you prefer a more convenient option, you can consider taking turmeric supplements in capsule or tablet form. Consult with a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate dosage for your needs. Remember, individual results may vary, and it's always a good idea to do a patch test and consult with a healthcare professional before using turmeric for anti-aging purposes, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications.